How to know who viewed your featured collections in Facebook. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, first things first, you want to go ahead and open up your Facebook application right here. And once inside, you want to go ahead and navigate through your featured collection. In my case, I'll go ahead and click on my profile icon. And once inside, you want to scroll down, and from here, you will be able to see your featured collection. But basically, you can just go ahead and click on it, and after clicking on it, you will be able to see the viewer below that specific featured collection. Since I don't have a featured collection on my Facebook account, I'll just go ahead and show Instagram right here. Basically, inside your featured collection, you can just go ahead and click on this button, and once inside, you will be able to see all of the viewers that viewed that specific featured collection. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.